What's up, Bitcoin Bulletin crew? Get ready for the ultimate deep dive into the crypto world. First up, we're revealing the top Bitcoin stocks you need to be watching right now, with specific names that are dominating the charts and the trading volume. These aren't just any stocks. These are the heavy hitters tied directly to the Bitcoin ecosystem, and we've got the inside scoop on who's making the biggest moves. Next, we're shifting gears to a Bitcoin alternative that's making serious noise. MAGACOIN Finance has just announced a major presale milestone, signaling massive early demand and positioning itself as a contender in the altcoin space. We'll break down what this achievement means and why investors are flocking to this Ethereum-based project. Then, we're exploring the fascinating psychology behind the Bitcoin community itself. We're uncovering the 4 distinct archetypes of Bitcoiners, from the monetary purists to the market pragmatists, and what their differing approaches mean for the future of Bitcoin adoption and development. This is a deep dive into the culture that drives the revolution. And finally, get ready for some fast-paced action as PancakeSwap on BNB Chain introduces gamified price predictions for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're talking 5-minute rounds where you can bet on price movements. Will you outsmart the market? Stick around to find out all the details and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The Bitcoin stock playbook is here. Forget just watching Bitcoin's price. We're talking about the companies directly fueling its rise. Bitcoin Bulletin's exclusive stock screener has identified the 7 top Bitcoin stocks you absolutely must have on your radar today. IREN, Marathon Digital, Cipher Mining, Riot Platforms, Bitfarms, TeraWulf, and HIVE Digital Technologies. These aren't random picks. They represent companies with the highest dollar trading volume, showing they're the real players in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Whether they're mining Bitcoin, holding massive reserves, or providing essential services, these stocks offer a powerful indirect way to invest in the Bitcoin revolution without directly holding the crypto itself. From IREN, formerly Iris Energy, a data center operator, to Riot Platforms, a major North American miner with diverse revenue streams, and Bitfarms expanding its mining operations across continents, these companies are at the forefront. HIVE Digital Technologies, operating across Canada, Sweden, and Iceland, is also a key player. These companies are not just participating in the Bitcoin market, they are shaping it. Their performance is intrinsically linked to Bitcoin's trajectory, making them crucial for investors looking for exposure to the digital asset space through traditional equity markets. The crypto community is buzzing about these direct Bitcoin plays, with many looking to replicate the success seen from companies that have strategically positioned themselves in the mining and holding sectors. Analysts are closely watching their quarterly reports and network upgrade impacts, anticipating significant movements. But is IREN the ultimate play, or are there even better-kept secrets on Wall Street? Find out next as we reveal the stock's top analysts are really talking about. Bitcoin alternatives are heating up. While Bitcoin remains the king, the search for the next big thing is always on, and MAGACOIN Finance is making some serious waves. This Ethereum-based project just announced a massive presale milestone, with multiple stages selling out faster than anyone predicted. This isn't just about hitting a number. It's a clear signal of strong early investor demand and a strategic move to build scarcity ahead of its 2025 listings. MAGACOIN Finance is positioning itself as a true Bitcoin alternative, and its timing couldn't be more interesting. As Bitcoin's scale makes massive percentage gains harder to achieve, investors are actively seeking out smaller projects with early-stage upside potential. MAGACOIN Finance's rapid presale success, coupled with its focus on cultural relevance and scalable blockchain utility, is catching the eye of market strategists. Key factors like its scarcity-driven tokenomics and unique branding are being highlighted as drivers for its trajectory. Early investor reports are referencing MAGACOIN Finance as a project to watch, with the crypto community actively discussing its potential as a new entrant in the altcoin space. The project's ability to generate this level of excitement and demand during its presale stages is a testament to its perceived value and future prospects. But is this just a flash in the pan, or is MAGACOIN Finance building something truly sustainable? We'll explore that, and then dive into a fascinating breakdown of the people who make up the Bitcoin world. Decoding the Bitcoin mindset, the 4 archetypes revealed. Ever wondered what truly drives the diverse Bitcoin community? Our latest deep dive uncovers 4 distinct archetypes of Bitcoiners that are shaping the ecosystem: the coordinators, the market pragmatists, the monetary purists, and the Bitcoin minimalists. This isn't just theory, it's born from real-world experiments, like building a Bitcoin circular economy in Brazil, navigating ideological debates, and even engaging in diplomatic proposals. We explore the practical lessons from initiatives like Praia Bitcoin Jericho, which aim to create a self-sustaining Bitcoin economy, and the ideological tensions that arise when discussing Bitcoin's role versus the broader crypto space. The monetary purists, like Safety and Amos, prioritize Bitcoin as sound money, focusing on self-custody and long-term holding, often viewing other projects with skepticism. On the other hand, market pragmatists, including figures associated with Bitcoin ETFs, focus on liquidity and accessibility, believing that price and market depth drive adoption. Coordinators, such as those involved with ordinals and stacks, see Bitcoin as a versatile database for new applications, while minimalists aim for a balance, prioritizing Bitcoin as both savings and transactional cash with a focus on self-custody and non-custodial Lightning payments. These archetypes, while sometimes at odds, create a dynamic tension that keeps Bitcoin resilient and adaptable. Understanding these different perspectives is crucial for grasping the future direction of Bitcoin development and adoption, from technical defaults to its role in global finance and community building. So, which archetype resonates most with you? And speaking of innovation, get ready for some fast-paced fun as we look at how PancakeSwap is bringing gamified predictions to Bitcoin and Ethereum. PancakeSwap fires up the prediction market. Get ready for lightning-fast crypto action. PancakeSwap, the leading decentralized exchange on BNB Chain, has just supercharged its prediction market by adding Bitcoin and Ethereum price predictions. Now, you can jump into rapid-fire, 5-minute rounds to bet on whether BTC or ETH will go up or down, adding a whole new level of gamified engagement to the DeFi space. This feature allows users to place bets using BNB, with a minimum entry of 0.001 BNB. The excitement builds in real time as the prize pool grows and the reward multiplier shifts based on the collective bets. Winners can claim their rewards immediately after each round concludes, with a portion of the fees contributing to the weekly cake token burn, seamlessly integrating this new feature into PancakeSwap's existing tokenomics. It's designed for those who love quick results and high-octane trading, mirroring binary options with its simple yes or no outcomes. The addition of Bitcoin and Ethereum to the prediction market, especially following BNB's recent record price surge, taps directly into the high volatility and trading interest surrounding these major digital assets. The community is already diving in, testing their market reading skills in these short, intense prediction battles. And that brings us to the end of today's rapid-fire update. We've covered top stocks, exciting presales, community archetypes, and gamified trading. Don't go anywhere, because we're about to hit you with a lightning round recap and all the ways you can stay connected with Bitcoin Bulletin. That's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We've covered the top Bitcoin stocks to watch, MAGACOIN Finance hitting a major presale milestone, the 4 archetypes shaping the Bitcoin community, and PancakeSwap launching gamified price predictions for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news needs, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single update, and follow us on all our social channels to stay in the loop. We'll see you in the next one.